Presenting a pre-owned 2013 BMW. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include premium package, moonroof, anti-theft alarm system, Bluetooth, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.